In business, staying organized, efficient, and connected with customers is essential, and that's where CRM Pros comes in. It acts as a digital command center, keeping all customer interactions in one place, eliminating scattered emails, missed follow-ups, and lost leads. CRM Pros centralizes data, ensuring businesses have a complete view of their customers while automating repetitive tasks to boost efficiency. It enhances team collaboration by allowing sales, marketing, and support to work seamlessly with shared, up-to-date information. With powerful analytics, businesses can track trends, measure customer satisfaction, and refine strategies based on real insights. As AI and machine learning continue to evolve, CRM Pros is becoming even smarter, predicting customer needs, improving lead scoring, and personalizing marketing efforts. More than just software, CRM Pros is a strategic tool that strengthens customer relationships, improves efficiency, and drives business growth. For companies looking to stay ahead, embracing CRM Pros is a step toward a more streamlined and successful future. If you found this valuable, make sure to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more insights on growing your business with smarter technology.